In this video, I'll show you how you can remove a black background in Photoshop. So this is used mostly for logos or icons. So if you copy and paste an icon or a logo into Photoshop, it will often paste in with a black background, or sometimes it's a white background, and here's how you can remove it. So I've got two examples here. So what you want to do is go to the Magic Wand tool, which is going to be the fourth tool down on the left. Go ahead and long click on it and make sure you've got the Magic Wand tool selected. Then from here, what you can do is you can just click on the black background. Make sure you've got your layer that you're trying to edit selected. So I'll first edit the YouTube logo, so I'll make sure I've got the YouTube layer selected. Then I can click on the black background and it will select the background for me, and I can then just click delete on the keyboard. Now if we just switch over to this cookie, if I click on the black background on the cookie, you can see it only highlights a specific section of the background. So if I have more than one section, I can hold shift and then kind of like click on all of the sections I want to delete. Once they're highlighted on the delete key, and it will delete all of the background as well. So that's how you can do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.